So this is the Brazilian wool that I use. Is the one that is hair that I use, not the normal Brazilian wool. This is the new Brazilian wool, so this is the one you should use, the one that there is hair written on it. So I'm gonna have to fold this into a shape in which I'll be able to cut it, and I've cut the Brazilian wool, and I'm going to brush through it so that it will enable me to pick the hair just like braiding hair. So I'm going to just pick the hair just like braiding hair. This is not so detailed. I'm just going to do it anyhow. Then I'll brush it again. Then we'll go into the coiling. You can see I'm just doing the way we do our braiding hair. No differences. This new Brazilian hair is everything. It's okay. So I'll brush through it again. Then I'm going to be using both straw and coiling rods. Whichever one you want to use, you can use, but I think straw give better coils more than the rods, because the rods I have, they are a bit big. So the day I bought the rods, I couldn't find the smaller ones, so I used straw and the rod also, because I can't keep using straw. Straw was giving me issues, not really giving me issues, it gives me stress. And the bobby pin I was using, I ran out of them, so I have to use the rod. So I use both rod and straw. The difference is that the part I use straw is going to be more coily, it's going to be more fluffy than the part I use rod. So whichever one you want to go for, but I advise to use the straw because it gives more fluffy look than the rods. But if you don't want stress, you can use the rod. You can use any one you want to use among them. So this is the part I'm using the rod, and I'm showing you guys. It's just the same process of folding that I used. So after everything, you're gonna put them in hot water to set. Then you're going to unravel and brush through it again. So I'm unraveling them from the coiling rods right now. This is what you get. Then I'm going to brush through it. Okay, I'm brushing through it now. So I've gone ahead to tie my hair down. In Nigeria we call this tomatoes. I don't know what it's called, but we used to call it tomatoes. I don't know why. So my hair is very short. I'm going to be crocheting this through it. I'm gonna need to try one and it worked out. So I will continue normal crochet way. Meanwhile, I did the hair yesterday, so that a day before this tutorial, so that it will loosen up. You know, it's crochet and it used to be painful, so it has loosened up or loosened down. I don't know which one. So I'm going to be crocheting them now, and I'm crocheting them. I'm giving space. Like, I'm not going to crochet to every single hair. I'm giving space between, like, one space, then one hair. I'll crochet into one. That's how, one in, one out. Yes. So when I was doing the hair, the front line is separated from everyone among them, and I did that because I want to lose that front one to use it and cover up the hair. So just watch, you see how it's going to go. So on the side one, because I want to make it a side pattern, there are two on that side one too that I'm not going to crochet to, because I'm going to lose that one also and make it a pattern. So you just watch and see what I will be doing. So I'm covering the part I want to do for you guys to see, and the part I'm not doing. So I'm done with the crochet. I'm going to brush through the hair, then I'm going to lose the remaining hair. I'm not going to crochet too. I tie them down because I want them to grow, get soft and all of that, so it will be easy to slick them down. So I'm going to part the side I want to put my pattern now, like the side I've prepared before to put my pattern. Then I'm going to slick it down with edge control. You can use any edge control of your choice. So right now I have successfully slicked down my short hair on top of my human hair, my Brazilian human hair. So this hair, one thing I liked about this particular hair is that it's giving me the half cast texture of look, and I would do anything and everything under the sun to have this texture of hair. And Brazilian wool of less than how much $1 is giving me such vibe, such look. I'm gonna head to tie down with hair scarf. Which one do you prefer, without the scarf or with the scarf? Which one do you prefer? Like, I love both. I will be rocking both anytime, any day, whichever one I desire to go with. So thank you for watching my video. Please like my video. You can watch this video without liking it. Please like